Hello and welcome to this Myop tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to use, access, modify, and export your time entries. The time entry log is where Myop stores all of your time entries. Here you can view and/or edit your comments, see which project and task the time entry was logged against, and check the start and stop times. You can also see at a glance whether or not the time entry was billable. You can filter the time entries by person, team, project, or by client. And you can then further filter to show time entries for either the month, week, or day. There are multiple ways to access your time entries. The first way I will show you is through your team page. Simply click on the Hours Tracked button or on one of the activity charts to bring up your time entry log. When you enter the time entry log this way, it will automatically be filtered to show today's time entries. You can also access the time log through the project you're working on. When you are in the project, simply click on either of the activity charts and you'll be redirected to the log. This time, the log is automatically filtered to only show time entries related to that project. One more way you can access the time entries is through the Clients page. Just click on either the Hours Tracked button or on either of the activity charts and you will get to your time entries. This time, the page is filtered to only show applicable time entries for that client. While on the Time Entries page, look at the top right-hand side of your screen and you will see a button for exporting the current timesheets. This button exports all of the time entries that are currently displayed on your page. While there are many uses for this feature, one of the most important reasons is that it allows you to back up your team's time entries onto your own local server. That concludes this tutorial. If you require further assistance, please visit our help center at www.usemyop.com. Thanks for watching.